But a word of caution, as you approach this audience, you've got to be absolutely certain. How would you like to start a business from scratch and watch it grow into something incredible? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. You're watching this video because you want to start a business, but maybe you don't have any money or the right experience or any contacts in your industry, but that's okay, because I'm going to show you how to get over those barriers and start your business from nothing. So sit back and relax and let me show you how it's done. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on the bell for notifications so that you get an alert every time I create a video about growing your business. Because over the past 21 years, I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs wildly grow their businesses, and I'd like to do the same for you. The very first thing that you need to do if you're looking to start a successful business is identify the people that you wish to serve. These are going to be your clients. You can do this by just asking yourself the question, what group of people could I talk to every single day and not get tired of speaking with them? In my case, it's entrepreneurs, it's coaches, consultants, service providers, and experts. I could talk to people like you all day long and never get tired of it because people like you inspire me so much. So I want you to figure out who that is for you. This is going to be your group of prospects, and you're going to get your clients from this group. So who inspires you? Who could you talk to every single day and never get tired of speaking with them? And I'm actually super curious to know who your niche is. Who are the people that you're inspired to serve? Let me know in the comments below when you answer that question for yourself. Who is that group of people that you want to be your clients? The next thing that you must do is find a problem that your audience has that is either not being solved or is not being solved well. You've got to identify what it is that you're going to help your audience with, and you do that by exploring the problems that they have, especially the problems that are not being addressed. And you can easily identify these problems by talking to people in your audience. Whether you know them or not, you can find groups of people that you wish to serve and just ask them very simple questions to uncover what the problems they have are and the problems that they wish to have solved quickly. And I've created a companion workbook to this video series that is fill in the blanks to help you get your business started. If you'd like a free copy of that, just jump down into the pinned comment for this video and you'll find a link for where you can download that companion workbook. You might be wondering, I found the problem, but I'm not able to solve it. That's okay. Your job right now is finding a solution to that problem and making sure that you can get your audience the results that they're looking for as you solve that problem. Let me put that another way. You don't have to approach your audience with a solution that you already have. It's okay to find an audience and then find a problem that they need solved and find the solution to that problem. But then you've got to put in the time getting very good at solving that problem. And again, that's okay. That's your job right now, is finding the solution to the problem that your audience has right now. The next step is to find a subset of that audience who is willing to exchange money with you for the solution to that problem. These, quite simply, are going to be your first clients. But a word of caution, as you approach this audience and as you find these people who are willing to pay you for that result, you've got to be absolutely certain that you can get them that result. And that comes through experimentation, testing, maybe even getting a few people that you can try it on and see if the results that you predict you can get, you can actually get. Once you start getting people in that audience results, it's time to increase your visibility in front of that audience. That means leveraging every tool that you have available to you, from social media to email to networking events to Zoom meetings. You have to become present in front of that audience so that you can let them know that you have found a solution to the problem that they have. And that's where your business starts to open up, because that's when more members of that audience are going to step forward looking for the solution to that problem. And if they're willing to exchange money with you for that solution, you've just created a business. And as you get more and more people results, you can explore how to grow and scale that business to impact even greater numbers of people. And while these strategies are incredibly important, if you want to get results fast, they might not be enough. That's why I put this video right here. Don't ignore this because it's going to get you results 10 times or even 100 times faster. The rest of the videos in this series are up here in this playlist, and you can click on my face to subscribe to this channel so that you can get these strategies before anyone else.